Show me which one is your favorite.
Let's make it.
What one do you like best?
Here. What kind? Donuts.
Didn't you just... Which one was beautiful?
That one.
That one's beautiful?
That one is beautiful, and down in the high in this one. And this one is. And this one is beautiful. That one is.
Are they all beautiful?
Yeah. And that one is. No. That one is. And this one is. And this one is. And this one is. And this one is.
Hey, Oscar, do you like trains?
Yeah, that one is beautiful engine. That one is beautiful.
Started calling them beautiful out of nowhere.
No, that one is boss engine. That's boss engine.
Is it?
That one is the engine. And this one got engine. And this one
Oscar, how much do you like trains? There,
that one. No, and 1, 2, 3, 4. That's one engine.
Yeah.
That's I will count
Stinky broccoli and pear and apple.
3, 4. That's engine. Down engine, and it's one engine, and it's one engine, and it's one engine.
Wow.
Okay. The other one.
Oscar, what's that sound?
That's a train dog one.
Do you hear the beep beep?
Yeah, that's a beep beep. That's a, and that one is my engine.
Did it fall down?
I go down last door.
Gobble, gobble, gobble. Oscar, what do you think? Did it snow last night?
Nope, I have it. That one is. That
Oh, there's the one he called beautiful.
That one.
That silver one.
Starts, and this one, is fire. And
You could talk about trains all day, huh?
that one is in the big one.
Yeah.
And so my seven.
Yeah, is that your 7, the one you have?
And mine was that one. And my that one.
Oh, yeah.
And ding ding. And that one. And this one ding ding. That one. That wrist.